anyway, to a repeat customer. I mean, it's been several years. I don't even know how many years it's been, but I'm very, very thankful that she called and kept my phone number. But anyway, whatever's going on with her system, I don't know. She just said it's just not working. So I gotta find out if it's what it is, to be honest with you. But anyway, we'll find out. Okay, we're in her subdivision, so should be here pretty close.
In 150 feet, turn left. Arrive to destination in 900 feet. Arrive to destination.
Okay, we're here. Okay, this first one is the for the downstairs, and this is the one here that she's having a problem with. And, let's see if I can get some information on this thing. All right, and I had her turn it on, and I went ahead and pulled the disconnect out. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's going on with this guy. I didn't have any power to begin with, and so I went ahead and went inside to the main panel box and found that the breaker for outside here was tripped. And so when I come out here, I went ahead and I pulled the cap out, and come to find out that I found a wire broken here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back together again. And the cap is good, so we'll go ahead and connect a piece. Maybe that's what was tripping the system out, I don't know, but stay tuned. Well, I diagnosed the system, and it's just a bad compressor. So it's 24 years old, 2002, and you know, we're gonna go ahead and see what she wants to do. So for this, I'm just gonna put everything back together, get in the way I found it. Apparently someone else had been here, because there's a new cap there, and the compressor cover is off. But I'm not gonna get in there and put the cover back on. She said it was the warranty people. But anyway, it is what it is. So stay tuned, we'll see what she wants to do. I really didn't explain what I did to the system to figure out the diagnosis that it was a bad compressor. You know, because the main breaker panel in the garage was tripped. So I kind of assumed, you know, suspected it was a compressor or fan blade motor. And so I went ahead and what I did, I first disconnected the compressor wires off the contactor and off the cap, and then I turned the trip back on, and of course the fan ran and didn't trip anything. And so I went ahead and rewired the compressor wires and disconnected the fan, and sure enough, when I turned the breaker back on, doggone thing, I mean, it just blew it instantly, you know. So I mean, that was just a quick way of me figuring out, you know, instead of taking the cover off. And I knew somebody was already there because she told me that, you know, somebody was there with the warranty company, and they left the cap off the compressor, and I could see the 3 terminal wires that were on the plugs. And so I kind of suspected, you know, there wasn't a broken wire or nothing. So that's why I went ahead and just did the diagnosis that way by unplugging and plugging and unplugging and plugging the system. So, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do an estimate for her and see what she wants to do about replacing the equipment. Thanks for watching.